I hate being on camera. I have next to no equipment, even less technical skills, and I'm planning on doing this 100 times in the next 100 days. Yeah, that's a good idea. Anyway, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I have this vision, grand vision. And I registered the domain almost 10 years ago, to the extent I don't even like the name anymore. So yeah, it's taken me a while to start. The problem is, it's not my lack of equipment or my technical skills that's stopping me. It's not even the fact that I have a full-time job, multiple chronic health conditions, and I'm currently renovating a house. Granted, doesn't help. But what's actually stopping me is just the fact that the second you point a camera at me, I become painfully uncomfortable. I swear I lose the ability to speak. The weird thing is, stick me in front of 200 people in a room or on a Zoom call where there's only audio, not video, I'm fine. I can speak clearly, I can think clearly, I can answer questions. But the second you turn a camera on me, I'm sweating, I'm shaking. Can somebody make it make sense, please? Because I can't. Anyway, if I wait till I'm comfortable, it's never going to happen. I'm not going to get comfortable being on camera until I'm on camera. So this is my attempt to get comfortable. Now I'm hoping that over the next 100 days, I'm going to improve. I'm going to build my skills, and 100 days from now, I'm going to be completely different to today. But actually, I am lowering the bar because that still seems way too intimidating. So my goal, press record, publish. Anything else is a bonus. But for the next 100 days, press record, publish. Tomorrow, I'm going to look at why I'm refusing to buy any equipment until I've completed those 100 days.